Hey, 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 hey. Alright, so it is that time I need to do video, and yeah, look at this rain. And it literally drains all the way down there. I don't know if you can see that, but it literally goes all the way down there. And then we got the beautiful trees and, you know, all of, yeah. I'm sorry. I guess the price of the rain for this beauty, I don't know, pick and choose, right? You gotta take your good with your bad, right? Alright, what was it, the thing that my mama used to... My mama used to always tell me something because I never wanted to swallow my pills. Oh, you gotta take the good with the bad. There you go. Yeah, that's simple, really. Like, you gotta take the good with the bad. Alright, so, drum roll. And it is... Hold on. It's gonna happen right now. Alright, Melissa Long. Congratulations. So get a hold of me. You will be added to the mailing list. Wow. Oh, squirrel. Squirrel. Oh, you probably won't be able to see them. Oh no, can you see? Yeah, that probably looks really bad, but do you see them? Oh, that still looks really bad. Alrighty then. Alright, Melissa, get a hold of me. I will be putting a video out here, I don't know, in just a little bit. It'll be today for y'all to comment on, and that will be my video to comment on for the final comment, okay? Love y'all. Peace. Don't forget, be subscribed. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, and yeah, comment. And if you feel like being nice today, share this video. Alright, I love y'all. And don't forget to always smile. Bye-bye.